continuation of the problems. Up to 4 problems explained. Fifth question, whenever interval is given. Fifth problem. Is the function f defined by f of x is equal to x if x less than or equal to 1, 5 if x greater than 1. Continuous at x is equal to 0 question mark, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 1 question mark, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 question mark, x is equal to 0 question mark, continuous. That is the given question. Okay, listen. Now, for example, in this type of question, given that f of x is equal to set of x if x less than or equal to 1, 5 x greater than 1. First of all, you write verify is a continuous at x is equal to 0, verify at x is equal to 0. What is the meaning of x less than or equal to 1? What is the meaning of x greater than 1? What is that meaning means? X less than or equal to 1 means x is equal to 1, the same function x. X less than 1, x less than 1 means 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. The function is x only. Here, so identify, if you take number line, here 0 is there, here 0, here 1 is there, x is equal to 1. So, here according to condition, this is 0 plus, this part is 0 plus, means right hand limit. This part is 0 minus, 0 minus means less than 0, means 0.1, minus 0.1, 0.2 here, so less than value, here is greater than value. This is left hand limit. So, right hand limit means, left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus f of x means limit x tends to 0 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 also means the same function x, na? The same function x means x plus substitute 0. Next, left hand limit value is 0. What about right hand limit? RHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, means limit x tends to 0 plus, x tends to 0 plus, 0 plus means greater than, means the value is less than 1 only, less than or equal to 1 only, means the function is same function x, means substitute here value also 0. What about left hand limit? 0. Right hand limit? 0. What about f of 0 also 0. So f of 0 means the function also x 0, no? Therefore left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to 0, means f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is the continuous. The next, what about at x is equal to 1? At x is equal to 1. Left hand limit means limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. 1 minus f of x means limit x tends to 1 minus means less than 1, less than or equal to this function only, less than also same function, means here also x. Now substitute x plus 1, that is left hand limit. What about right hand limit? Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus means greater than 1. So greater than 1 means, what about the value? Here f of x is 5, means here value 5. Left hand limit value 1, right hand limit value 5, equal, so not equal. That's why left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So what about x is equal to 1? What about x is equal to 1? If you take x is equal to 1, so what about x is equal to 1 means same function, f of 1. F of 1 means 1. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit is not equal to f of 1. Therefore, f of x is not continuous. F of x is not continuous. At x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0 is the continuous, x is equal to 1 not continuous. What about next at x is equal to 2? At x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2 means greater than 1. Greater than 1 means 2. 2 plus also same function, 2 minus also same function. Is the constant function. So left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means here 1 after 2. 2 plus means less than value is there, greater than value is there. It is 5. Means here 5. So what about right hand limit? Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. So 2 plus 5. That is equal to 5 only. Therefore, here condition. Therefore, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to 5. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. So, according to question, at x is equal to 1 is the at x is equal to 0 is the continuous. At x is equal to 1 is not continuous, means discontinuity. At x is equal to 2 is the continuous. So, fifth problem, that is the method. Next, sixth problem, find all points of discontinuity of f, where f is defined. Here, sixth problem, find all points of discontinuity. Where f is defined by here 6th to 12th problem, 6th problem to 12th problem. For example, first 6th problem, what about f of x? F of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So here, what is the common interval? Here less than or equal to 2 is there, here greater than 2 is there. You check it, is the continuous or not continuous at x is equal to 2. For example, you verify at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 2. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x means 2 minus means not minus 2. It is less than 2. Less than 2 means the function is 2x plus 3. Therefore, limit x tends to 2 minus 2 minus means the function 2x plus 3. Now x plus substitute 2. 2 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. That is left hand limit. What about right hand limit? Right hand limit means limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. That is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means greater than. Greater than means the function is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. That is equal to x plus substitute 2. 2 into 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. What about left hand limit? 7. What about right hand limit? 1. What about at x is equal to means f of 2. F of 2 means less than also same function, equal to also same function. Means x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 means 4 plus 3. That is equal to 7. Therefore, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Right hand limit is not equal to f of 2. So here is not a continuous. At x is f of x is not continuous. Not continuous at x is equal to 2 means not continuous means it is the discontinuity. At x is equal to 2 only the given function is not continuous. Otherwise it is called continuous. For example, if you take left hand limit under f of 2 value equal, it is called left continuity. But whenever f of x is not a continuous, at x is equal to means left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit is not equal to f of 2. So this is the method. All continuous. Here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For example, if we discuss one more problem. Question number 7. what about the question f of x is equal to mod x plus 3, x less than or equal to minus 3, next minus 2x, minus 3 less than x less than 3, next 6x plus 2, x is greater than or equal to 3. Now here minus 3 common means at x is equal to minus 3. At x is equal to minus 3, what about the function verify? Left hand limit. Limit x tends to minus 3 minus 3 minus f of x. There is equal to limit x tends to minus 3 minus 3 minus means less than. Less than means what about the function? Mod x plus 3. So whenever the function is less than, mod x is negative. Means limit x tends to minus 3 minus x plus 3. Minus x plus 3 means x plus substitute minus 3. Minus of minus 3 plus 3. What about the value? The value is 0. Next, what about right hand limit? Right hand limit means limit x tends to minus 3 plus f of x. There is equal to limit x tends to minus 3 plus, what about f of x? Greater than means minus 2x means x plus minus 2 into minus 3, that is 6. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So therefore f of x is not continuous. F of x is not continuous. Not continuous at x is equal to minus 3. So again verify x is equal to 3. The same way at x is equal to 3. Left hand limit. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit, limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. 3 minus f of x, limit x tends to 3 minus f of x means here 3 minus means here less than 3. Less than 3 means minus 2x. Therefore minus 2 into 3, there is equal to minus 6. What about right hand limit? Limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. There is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x means what greater than 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2 means 6 into 3 plus 2. 18 plus 2, 20. Here also not equal. Left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. So f of x is not continuous. At x is equal to minus 3, at x is equal to 3. Okay. So continuation, 6th problem completed, 7th problem completed. What about 8th problem? 8th problem. So here also f of x is equal to set of mod x upon x. Mod x upon x if x is not equal to 0. Next 0 at x is equal to 0. Here not equal to 0 means here one more condition. Now identify. At x is equal to 0 verify. At x is equal to 0 the given function is continuous or discontinuous. At x is equal to 0. What about left hand limit? Left hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. So not equal to 0 means we don't know exactly. Less than also possible, greater than also possible. Now limit x tends to 0 minus. What about 0 minus means the same function mod x upon x. There is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means less than 0. Less than 0 means x less than 0. Mod x is equal to minus x means minus x upon x. Cancel x cancel. There is equal to minus 1. What about right hand limit? Right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x means mod x upon x. There is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. Mod x means x greater than 0 means mod x is equal to x means x upon x. The value is 1. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Means f of x is not continuous. F of x is not continuous at x is equal to 0. So that is the method. 8th, 9th also same, 10th, 11th, 12th also same model. So the 13th